Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have device access and mobile data active, because turning off Data Saver for Hotspot requires an active connection. Open Settings and go to Connections or type Hotspot in the search bar to jump straight to Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Once there, tap Mobile Hotspot to access the hotspot controls. Make sure Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled so the related options become visible. This step primes the correct screen so you can change data saver behavior for tethering. Once on the mobile hotspot screen, tap Advanced or the three-dot menu to reveal detailed settings. Look specifically for data saver, restrict background data, or any hotspot-specific battery optimizations. Samsung sometimes nests these under battery or connections. Toggle Data Saver off and accept prompts that permit background data for tethering. Doing this allows devices to use full bandwidth and avoids throttling. Make sure to check both Hotspot and System Data Saver options, because both can limit tethered data. After disabling Data Saver, reboot your phone and reconnect the client device to ensure changes take effect. Reboot clears cached policies. Test by transferring a file or running a quick speed check to confirm hotspot traffic is unrestricted. If you still see limits, make sure carrier plans do not block tethering, and then reset network settings as a last resort to restore default hotspot behavior. If that fails, contact your carrier. Some providers enforce tethering limits regardless of device settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.